Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. Today is Sunday, August 28th, 2022, and this is a pepper grow update. All right, I'll start out with my AutoPot plants. You can see these are like under porch, so it's getting partial light, so this side's doing more, like it doesn't look, you can kind of see where the back side's kind of reaching. It's not getting as much light just in this location. But I've got 7 3-gallon pots in a 4x2 tray with a Easy2Go valve. See under there? And I just topped this up today, Maxi Bloom. And so if you go to AutoPot USA and use the discount code Pepperdactyl10, you'll get 10% off your order. You can use that as many times as you want. Put a link in the description to the site, and also a link that'll have it'll automatically apply the coupon when you go. So I've got this Emerald Purple crossed with chocolate maroon. Actually, I got 2 of these. So one's putting out those kind of shaped pods. They're all chocolate. They're kind of long. Some of them are kind of long. And over here I've got the Jimba Yellow. It's got a bunch on there, some turning ripe. Some of these on the back side, like this Ancient Sweet, just not getting enough light where it's at. There's a pod on here that's starting to turn. And these are Kangstar Starscream. And I'm starting to get some fruits on my Togarashi plant. This has been a really slow to produce plant, but I've got my chocolate ricotta, a bunch of fruits there. There's another chocolate ricotta. That's some that are ripe. This is 7-pot Orc. Pretty loaded, a lot of ripe pods. I picked a few of these already. There's a bunch more green pods on here too. And these 3 are attached to one reservoir, and each has its own valve. You can see how those look. It just maintains a level of nutrients, and it's wicked up. So I've got, these are fabric pots, and this is just like a 3.9 gallon plastic pot. These are some I put out sort of late in the season, but this is a Thai plant that's in the ground, and this is another Togarashi. This is a Carbonaro Mustard. I've got 1 cluster of ripe looking pods. This is a Paprika. Some of these starting to turn. This one and this one are like the unknown Faria cross, and from the same seeds. One plant's producing more orange pods, and the other one's producing bright yellow pods. They're about the same in heat. The yellow might be a little less, but they're really good. I like these because they're way hotter than habaneros, and they still have a pretty good flavor, so they're pretty useful. This is another 7-pot Orc. I got a bunch on here that I need to harvest. I was going to mention too on these. This is a creation by Bob Busby, and I'll put a link in the description to where you can contact him if you want to buy seeds or whatever. He I think these are the ones I'm growing are 1 or 2 generations behind what he has available now, but what he's selling is at least F8, so they're stable. This is another Jimba Yellow. I've been picking a lot of these. I got a review. I haven't posted yet one of these. They're really good. It's an African Chinense. This is a Reaper cross with Maruga. Starting to get some pretty gnarly fruits on there. This is 7 Pot Primo. I've picked a bunch of these already too. There's a few back in there. And this is my other top plant. These are all turning ripe now. And I've tried one of these, are really good. This one, some of these are overripe. It's a Starburst plant. This is a ladyfinger, and there's a bunch of these turning. These are actually really good too. I'm going to make powder with all those. It's a Kangstar, Kangstar yellow. Some pretty gnarly fruits on there. This is another one of my favorite peppers. This is chocolate paprika. Some of these are on too long. They basically, I tried one. I'm not really impressed with them. They taste basically like a bell pepper. I was hoping they'd be really sweet, but they're not. But this is ancient sweet. Some of these been on too long. Bugs have gotten to them or something. But and this is the Gasund, really sweet pepper. This is a chocolate primo cross. Got some turning ripe now. And this is Kangstar Lemon Starburst. We got a bunch on here. This is the Swiss chocolate. This actually, I was worried this was crossed, but they actually taste like I remember, like kind of a sweet lower end of hab heat. This is a habanero naranja picante. Got a bunch on here that I need to pick. It's turned ripe. See, this one and this one are Ricotta ají largo. These are actually really good. I'm gonna maybe make some strawberry jelly with these when I get a few more ripe. This is supposed to be Galapagos hab. I think it's crossed. It's putting out some peach pods, and they're kind of more on the super hot level. But anyway, this is ají ho Japan, baccatum. It's got some nice orange peppers. This is ají mango. You can see how those kind of look. This is the large cayenne. There's a bunch more on there I need to pick. This is my sweet Shito cross. It's a Shito crossed with Stavros. And this is PI 281317. Look at some of the pics. They don't really look, they may be crossed. I'm not sure, but they're actually really good peppers. They're real sweet and not extremely hot. And this is the Dedo de Mocha Peach. It's another baccatum type. And Jericho Orange. All of these I really need to pick down. I've been kind of slack. I've been busy. This is a Starscream. These ended up coming out chocolate, which is pretty cool. Should make a cool powder. This is ají verde. Nice capsicum baccatum. Some of these have been on here a little too long. Ají jaguar. Producing some yellow cotton peppers. And this is the white reaper. Got some really gnarly fruits on here. They haven't turned ripe yet. It looks pretty cool. This is ají Peru. I thought before I've grown this they were red, but these are coming out yellow. Anyway, I haven't picked any of these. This is the Sangria. Just, I don't know, it's more like an ornamental plant. I haven't tried them. They may be okay, but I've just left that alone. And this is the Umrock Purple crossed with Chocolate Moruga. again, and it's got bunch of nice chocolate pods. Yep. So that's my grow. I need to pick a lot of these down and do something with them. I just added fertilizer again a week or so ago, so I should get them through until it gets cold. But anyway, that's my update. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.